Let's talk about the analysis for GS paper 1. Now GS paper 1 this time was applicative with a very high focus on the topics of science and technology and agriculture. Now we have to understand what is the government's focus at present, and based on that you have the kind of questions that come up for your examination. Now if we do a quick analysis over the years, we have seen in 2017 there were lots and lots of questions from Kurukshetra and Yojana magazines talking about policies, recommendation, government schemes. In 2018, you had lots and lots of questions coming up from PIB, the various announcements that have made up or the schemes that have come up. In 2019, there was a significantly high proportion of questions from down to earth, and in 2020, we have seen a significantly high emphasis on sections on science and technology, questions related to agriculture, schemes of agriculture, cultivation process, irrigation process, fertilization process, so fertigation, biocar. Then you had questions related to sugarcane sets, questions related to MSPs, the laws for agriculture. So all of those are part of agriculture. Then you have science and technology, which was high focus, and again this time you had significantly high questions from DTE, around 8 to 10 questions which were directly discussed from what we have covered in our down to earth editions. So DTE definitely remains a major focus for your UPSC prelims preparation for the upcoming years as well. But yes, we have to align ourselves to the main objectives of the government, and based on that you would have the questions that would be coming up. Again this time there were significantly high questions on economy, considering economy to be a major focus these days. We had questions related to global financial crisis, questions related to basic terms, questions related to investors, debtors, the terms related to those. So that's where the main focus was. From the sections on NCERT, if we jump up, some of the questions were very basic, very direct from NCERT science up to class 10th. You had questions on difference on cell walls, plant cell, animal cell. Then from questions on history, Birsa Munda, and the questions related to indigo plantation, industrial revolution were kind of very direct questions from your NCERT history. Economics, again M1, M2, money supply, demand deposits, call deposits were direct questions from the sections on economics. Geography, you had questions directly from GC Leong. So GC Leong was a major focus. You had questions related to which river draining into which region, world geography, the basics of world geography, and those again were related to the contemporary happening. So if you are very much aligned with the contemporary developments, this should be a easy task for you. So we would be covering based on the recent pattern. Last year we incorporated down to earth in our series based on the extent of the questions being asked from down to earth. This time we would be incorporating many more content based on the alignment of the UPSC prelims pattern. So if you are subscribed, you would receive major updates from our end. And then definitely there were many of the research articles that were asked this time, mainly from NCBI. So NCBI again becomes one of the major sources that you would have to refer. We would be bringing up exclusive content for you. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day ahead.